Good morning, my name is Alicia Cole. Today we will be playing a little game where we use algebra to solve a puzzle. After we go over how to play the game, you will be breaking into partners. Then you will take any calendar and ask your partner to choose any 4 days on the calendar that form a square. For our example, we will be using the numbers 18, 19, 25, and 26. They form a square in the bottom left corner of this calendar. Your partner will only tell you the sum of these 4 numbers. From that sum, you will be able to tell your partner which 4 numbers they have chosen. I am sure you're wondering how this is possible. Well, you will use algebra to solve the puzzle. The formula you will be using is as follows: n plus 1 plus n plus 7 plus n plus 8. Understanding the formula is key to solving this puzzle. Since we do not know what numbers your partner has chosen, we will come up with the formula for the information we do have. Let us call the first number n, which would make the second number n plus 1, the third number n plus 7, and the last number n plus 8. In this example, the sum is 88. So let us make our sum 88. This is what our equation will look like now. n plus 1 plus n plus 7 plus n plus 8, which equals 88. Next, we will solve for n. We will simplify our equation by adding like terms. We end up with 4n plus 16 equals 88. To solve this equation, you then subtract 16 from both sides, which gives us 4n equals 72. Then we divide both sides by 4 and find that n equals 18. Now, let's look at an alternate method. The beginning is the same, but let us pick up at 4n plus 16 equals 88. From that point, the alternate method is to factor 4 from the left side of the equation, and we get 4 times n plus 4 equals 88. Then we divide both sides by 4, and we get n plus 4 equals 22. Then we subtract 4 from both sides, and we get the same answer, n equals 18. After solving for the first number n, which in this case we found it to be 18, you are able to plug that number in to our equation and figure out which numbers on the calendar your partner picked. So our first number n is equals 18. The next number is n plus 1 equaling 19. The next number would be n plus 7 equals 25. And the last number would be n plus 8, which equals 26. You have now solved the puzzle. Your partner chose 18, 19, 25, and 26. Now that you know how this game is played, go ahead and break into partners, and let's see if you can use algebra to solve the puzzle.